Hey y'all, welcome back to AT4 build. Today we have received the Victory 4x4 rear shock skid plates, so we're going to go ahead and get these installed. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this box. Got the good old trusty knife here. We got some clips on there. Make sure you put this in the safe spot so Mr. Luke isn't messing around with the knife. Alright. Holy cow. Wow, these are beefy. Look at this. Wow. These are nice. Oh yeah. Good quality. There we go. And we got the screws, bolts. Nice. Wow. This is very high quality right here. Wow. Alright, let's go ahead and get this installed. Alright, so we went ahead and took out the rear driver's side shock. Here's bolt, here's everything. Here's a 1316. So now we are going to line up the rear shock skid plate from Victory 4x4, which is super nice, and push this back in. Alright, then we went ahead and lined up one of the provided screws, washers, and nuts right on there. You can see it's on flush. Now we have to do the back side. Alright, now we have drilled the hole, the 3/8 hole, to fit this 3/8 bolt, and it's all tightened up. I'm just gotta lower the vehicle now. You can see it's all on there, nice and sturdy. Hell yeah, great product right here.